Hello and welcome to Kate Campbell Fitness Online. So this is a new one for me, everybody. How am I getting on? I'm absolutely fine, and most importantly, I hope you guys are well. But I thought today I'd bring you some mobility exercises to keep you active if you are in isolation and finding it difficult to remember some of the exercises that we've either done in senior circuits before or that you've actually started your own little routine in the gym. So first of all, I want you to sit on a chair. You're going to have your shoulders back, so really good posture, and we're going to start from top of our head all the way down to our toes. So I just want you to first nod your head down. You're going to lift it back up and you're going to take it to one side. Come back into the center. Drop the chin to chest, lifting back up and to the side. And again. So take your time, and we're going to pause now as we drop that chin and pause. Back up, take it to the side, pause, feel the stretch, back into the center, drop the chin and pause, and to the side. So this time you're going to take your ear down to your shoulder, hold it there. Reach your fingertips away from the chair. Just feel that stretch that little bit more. If you want to feel it that little bit more, put your hand onto the side of your head and reach down. And release. So take to the other side. Reach those fingertips down. Bring the shoulder blades down. Feel that stretch further, just coming out and popping your hand on the top of your head. And bring it back in. So we're now going to do some little side bends and lift back up. Nice strong center. Keep going. So we've got two more here, and last one. You take that arm over your head, reach down that little bit further, feel the stretch. If that's a little bit too much, put your hand onto the chair and reach over. Bring it back through. Let's change sides. Take that arm over your head and reach, feel that lovely stretch. Again, if that's too much of a stretch, put your hand there just to support and bringing you back through. We're going to float the arms up now just to shoulder height and bring them back down. Keep it going just to shoulder height and bring back down. And last one. And then we're going to take it that little bit higher, lifting it all the way up. Take the ears, the shoulders away from the ears, come back down. Just last one, hold it there and drop the hands behind the head. And we're going to bring them down. So working on the side muscles of the back, bringing your shoulders down. We've got three more. Last one, and you're going to hold your hands in this position. So keeping your hips square, your knees facing me, you're going to twist to the side. Come back into the center and to the other side. And to the center. Keep going. Having that little pause and rest in between if you need to. But we've got two more. And last one. Okay, we're going to cross the hands in front and we're going to do that rotation again. Back into the center. Into the center, good. Keep breathing throughout. Two more. And make this the last one. And just place your hands down and release and relax those shoulders, just correcting your posture if you need to. Okay, I'm just going to turn my chair round so you can see. I'm going to sit at the front of the chair and I'm going to do a little pelvic tilt. So I'm going to push and come back up. Now if you want your hands onto your knees, really curl the shoulders over and then sit back straight. Curl the shoulders and lift straight. We've got 4 more. You can do as many repetitions of the exercise that you want to. If there's a particular area of tension, then concentrate on doing a few more exercises and repetitions. And last one. And then just rest. Okay, so we're now going to go into our knee lift. So we're going to take a breath in. You can hold the chair. As you breathe out, you can lift your knee. We're going to place it back down. Stay with the same leg. Lift and place it down. And again, lift and place it down. We've got 2 more. And last one. Now change sides. So 6 of each exercise. Still sitting up and tall. Make it harder. Take your hands off the chair. And last one, I think. Maybe one for luck. Good. So we're now going to take it into a knee extension. This really just helps to strengthen the front of your leg and also helps them with the stabilising of the knee joint. So from here, I'm going to sit back a little bit. So I'm going to lift, I'm going to extend, squeezing the quad and back down. Same leg. I can hear my crunchy knees, that's okay. 3 more. 2. Ooh, and last one. You'll really feel it in the hip as well. And release. So let me do that one again at the side. Lift, extend, bring it back in. Lift, extend. You can hold it for that little longer pause and make this the last one. Good. So from here, we're going to lift the knee, slightly turn it out, bring it in and down. We're going to change legs this time. Lift, take it out and down. Lift. So Shannon likes to call this the opening of the gate. So we can do this standing up as well. And last one. From here, we're going to come into a sit to stand. So the easiest way to do this is holding onto the chair. Lean forward at the hips, push yourself up, and then coming back down. So you lean forward from the hips, straight back, dig those heels in, lifting back up carefully as you sit back down. You're making sure that you keep the gap in your knees and that they're not squeezing together. Leading up with the head, imagine I'm pulling on the top of your head. And bring it back down and just have a rest there for me. Well done. So to just make that a little bit harder, pop your hands onto your shoulders so you're not using your arms at all. Lift up from the hips. So important that we have nice strong legs. Harder still, reach up with those arms and back down and maybe one more. And back down. I'm just going to move my chair back a little bit just so you can see my feet. And we're just going to do your pedals. Hands at the side, moving through your feet. Good. And then bring both up together and release. So really squeezing the calf and release. Two more. And then last one. Brilliant. So we're going to peel the heel up and we're going to lift the arm, the opposite arm, as we lift up and come back down. If anybody has got a stability ball, then you can use that, but perhaps just try not to take your knees as high. So draw the tummy muscles in, activate those lower abdominals, just to give you that extra support as we lift through. And last one. Fantastic. Okay, so the two pieces of equipment that I'd like you to go and get now. Dressing gown cord and a cushion. So with the cushion, we're going to use the cushion first, and we're going to put the cushion in between our knees. And from here, we're going to squeeze, hold there for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. So working the inner thigh, breathe. Keep breathing and hold. 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And again, squeeze and release, and 2 more. Hold and release. Last one, squeeze the cushion, hold now for a count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Well done. So taking your cushion, we're going to now squeeze it for our shoulders and our chest. So we're going to take a breath in and we're going to squeeze, hold for 4. Good. 3, 2, 1, and release. And again, we're going to squeeze, hold. 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Keep this one going. Squeeze and hold. And release. And again, squeeze and hold. And release. So you'll feel the chest muscles working. Last one, squeeze and hold. And then release. So with your cushion, you're going to push the cushion out. You're going to lift and you're going to drop it behind your head, coming back in and then down. So push out, lift, drop behind and down. Push, lift, drop behind, so working the triceps and the upper body. Push, lift, release. And last one, push, lift, and down. Just have a little rest. This next one is the halo, so great shoulder mobility. Just relax your jaw all the way through. So it comes round in a circle all the way. Imagine you're making a big circle with the cushion. And rest if you need to, and then we're going to go round the other way. Certainly not as easy the other way. We always go with our favourite. Feel the ribs moving and the shoulders mobilising, and last one, and bring it through. Well done, guys, that's fantastic. So I'm going to pop the cushion down. So this time with your dressing gown cord, which is actually fine, you're going to take your hands further apart than your hips, and we're going to take it forward. We're going to lift it up. Now if you've got one of the resistance bands, you can open the resistance band out, but we're going to push forward and then bring it back in. So push along your knees and lift. Take it as far back as you can. Push along, good. And then the last one. And release. So up to shoulder height, keeping your knees still. We're going to rotate over to the side, back into the centre, rotate to the other side, and back into the centre. Whew. We've got 2 more. Take your head with you. And last one. And come in. Now your dressing gown's not going to move, but we're just going to be in this position where we can slide our fingers across and then back in, bring it in. So we're going to slide those fingers and then bring it back in. So you're working the rotator cuff. Slide those fingers, keep the elbows into the side, bring it through. Slide and bring it through. 2 more. Slide and open, keep the shoulder blades back, bring it back in, and 1 more. And bring it back in. So we're going to take it up now, all the way up, and we're going to take it down to the side. If that's too much, just release and go back to your side bends that we did at the beginning. And then we're going to twist at the top and back in, twist to the other side and back in. So side bend, nice strong centre as you come back. Keep breathing throughout, jaw relaxed. Oh, I've missed my little turn. And we're going to turn. Keeping those shoulders strong. And let's make this one the final one. Little side bend and lift. Turn and back into the centre. Good. So with your dressing gown cord now, you're going to place it underneath your foot. So sitting back into your chair, you're going to strengthen and you're going to stretch. So sitting back, try and lift it high. You're going to feel the hamstring, hold there. And then release that down. Let's do that one again. So don't fully place your foot down, push through, feel the stretch. Now you may only be here, that's fine, feel the stretch. And then bring it back down. Final one. Hold. And then bring it back down. Change legs. Underneath your foot, we're going to extend, lift and feel. See if you can feel the hamstring stretching and bring it through. Don't put the foot down and lift. Keep breathing. Enjoy the stretch. And then last one, push through. Fantastic. So I hope you like that little routine. So have a little go at home. If you can take a picture and post it to me or put it on social media or just send me it in WhatsApp, that would be wonderful. All right, enjoy guys. Take care and I will see you soon. Bye bye.